quick monotages as various AI applications like the facials, recognitions, hiring algorithms, and self-driving cars. Followed by headlines, and that's to read AI biases. AI artificial intelligence is shaping our futures, but happens when these systems to inherits our biases. Today it delivers into the critical issues biases in AI. What is its real? What examples and when and how we can address it. Hello everyone, and welcome to our in-depth of series of AI ethics. I am Mr.RatanBajaj, and AI exploring AI experts community shaping the lights on ethical challenges we facing in the digital age. In this episode, we are to explore the concept of biases in AI, in its real-world implementations, and the steps and can be takes to mitigate it. To stay, let us understand what we means by the AI algorithm biases. Algorithms biases are the occurs when AI system to make a decisions. They are systematically prejudiced due to the enormous accountability in the machine's learning process. This can be biases can be stemmed from the biased trained data, flawed algorithms, and even their way of AI system to deploy. Bias in AI can be manifest in the various way, including the racial, genders, social, economical, and other postures. In the discrimination, this is the part particularly be concerning because the AI systems are the increasingly be used to critical area like to the healthcare, hirings, and enforcements. Let me talk about some of the real world examples of the biases in AI. Example of biases in AI. One of the most well-known cases in the facial recognition technology. Study how can we show many faces recognition system to significantly less accurate to identify the individuals with the darker skin tones, and this has to the leads of the wrongful areas and accurate particularly this effect efficienting minorities and communities. Another example of is hiring algorithm is some of the companies having using to AI scanner job applications. Only way to discover they have to system to favor favorite males candidates and female ones. This happens to the because the algorithms we trained on historical hiring data, which to reflected the post of gender biases. AI healthcare also to face a bias issues for increasing an algorithm using a predict which practices would we can benefits from extra medical care we can understand this need to the black practices compare while the practices this discriminate area because the algorithm used to healthcare cost as per approximately healthcare needs which systematic inequalities. So how can we mitigate biases in AI systems? There are several strategies we can be employ to reduce the biases in AI. Diverse train data. Ensure that train data is representatives all the groups. This means to collective and using to diverse data sets to reflect the various human experiences and characteristics. Bias audits. Conduct the regulatory guidelines, AI systems to detect and address the biases. This involves the testings AI systems for discriminating the patterns and making the necessary adjustments. Algorithmic transparencies. Increase the transparency in AI. algorithms. By making the decisions making process of AI systems more transparent, we can understand and correct biases. Fairness considerations. Implementing the fairness considerations during the designs of phase of AI systems, and these considerations helping to ensure that AI to decisions does not to disappointmently harms any groups. Human over science. Maintain the human over science and critical areas when AI decisions helps to significantly implement on a people's lives. Human judgments can be held to outcomes AI might miss. For example, of AI system to beings to audits, treatments, algorithms, human over science in a practices. Biases in bias in AI series, but it's one of the we can tackles in the awareness, diligence, and the by understanding we to bias stems from the implementations strategically mitigates them. We can to build and more equitable AI systems. Thank you for watching. If you found that the video for influencing, please like and share and subscribe the channels, and more in-depth discussion of AI ethics and technology. Follow more insight for Mr. RatanBajaj and subscribe